All right, so I know a lot of you guys out there are wondering, will we continue the free lead gen mini course? I'm gonna share an update of where we're at with things and more coming up. Yo, what is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to the channel today. I hope that you are doing well and having a great day despite everything crazy going on around us in the world today. I'm doing well. I literally just got done talking to a ton of business owners, doing some prospecting, and I'll share more about that with you. But I know the main thing right now that you want to know on this video, because after I shot the last one, well, let me catch you up to speed here. Let's go back. So I updated you with a video a couple days ago saying that I was stopping the free lead gen course, and the reason why was because I wasn't sure how many of you guys were taking action. If you didn't get a chance to watch that video, I will leave a link to it below so that you can go check it out. But in a nutshell, all I was asking in that video was if you actually built the site out and did the work up to this point to submit proof of your work, and once we get 100 people filling out that form, I would continue the series. So here is an update of where we are at with things. So we have 43 responses of people that took action, and it's only been 2 days. I am so impressed with you guys. So I've already shot the next series of the video. But with that being said, 3 of those responses were fake. So I'm only counting 40 of them. So for those of you who submitted the fake responses, those 3 of you, nice try, but I was actually going through and checking out your websites, so you're gonna have to go and resubmit with your real website. We still need 60 more people though before I'm going to actually release the next video in the series. And guys, it is absolutely fire. You are not gonna wanna miss it. I actually have many more videos planned for the series, so you're gonna wanna do everything you can to make sure we get those 60 submissions. I know we can do it. That's why I've already started shooting the series, because I know that we can do it. We're almost there, and it's only been a couple of days, but we still need 60 more people. So do what you gotta do, get going on it. If you have already done it, encourage everyone else to do it. Maybe it's by leaving a comment, maybe it's by sharing it with someone you know, but we need to get it up to 60 people. So again, I'll leave a link to that video in the description so you can fill out the form and submit your work. All right, with that being said, I want to talk to you guys about what else I've got going on. So I have just gotten off the phone prospecting with a ton of business owners, and I actually recorded the entire thing for you guys to watch. So if you're not subscribed here yet on the channel, you're gonna wanna make sure that you drop below, subscribe, and tick the bell notification icon, because one of the next videos that I'm going to upload, if we do not get enough people on this form in the meantime, while we wait, is going to be a video of me actually going out and prospecting on the phone right now. So you're not gonna wanna miss that, because if you're struggling to land a client and you wanna learn how to do that, you're gonna learn a lot in that video. Other than that, guys, things are going really well with the lead gen website, and I've documented a lot of things on the way that I am just so excited to share with you. So smash a like on this video if you are excited for it too, because we're gonna have a lot of cool stuff happening coming up here on the channel in the future. But anyways, guys, I hope that you've been enjoying everything with what's going on in the lead gen series, despite everything else going on around us. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, I post daily there. You can go check me out at @HelloPaulJames. And yeah, guys, I will see you in another video coming up very soon. I am Paul James. Peace out.